Mr. Bones, Bones, calling Mr. Bones. Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, get up now. Mr. Bones, Bones, calling Mr. Bones. Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, tell us how.
Mr. Bones, what are you doing?
I am looking for an infection.
What infection?
I just realized you can get infections in the spine, but I can't seem to find them.
Yes, infections in the spine do happen. The most common infection is tuberculosis of the spine. It usually spreads from the lungs and reaches the spine. The infection will cause pain in the back, weight loss, and fever. Your doctor can easily diagnose it with blood tests, imaging, and a biopsy.
But how do you treat it?
In the early stages, medication for 9 to 12 months will cure it. But if it's in a later stage, you'll need surgery with the medication. But it's completely curable.
Yes, and I have heard that India has the highest number of cases. Let's change that.
When normal conditions. When we look at this side, the spine assemble look as S shape, but our prototype it look as back shape, which is straight line. The vertical straight line from the neck to the tailbone, when the back shape, the spine divided to 3 parts, consists of cervical, thoracic, and lumbar.
Our project is we choose the spinal tuberculosis as the disease of the skeletal system. So spinal tuberculosis is one disease known as a pod disease, where is a form tuberculosis occur outside of the lungs. Tuberculosis also can affect several tissue of outside of the lung, including the spinal, which is this is the prototype of spinal. Okay, if two discs are involved, which is avascular, it cannot receive nutrients, and the spinal and the vertebral parts will collapse. So the process called causes necrosis, where this tissue will die and leading to the narrowings of the spine, like this.